guys, it's Fire Creeper, and today we're doing another video, but in a fort. Yep, a fort video where I will be doing an overnight challenge in my fort. There will be like still parts, like part 2 or part 3 or part 4. I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna be part 4. There'll be part 4 of them. 1 to get the night. One is this video right now, and 2 when it's nighttime, and 3, oh yes, won't be 2, 4, 3 will be the daytime, and yeah, and it's so dark in this fort. Well, we have the lights over here, we have right over there, but nowhere else. No wait, only on that side. I mean that side. Only this side. And I don't know what to do right now, but later I'll be doing, when it gets dark time, I will record again. And yeah, that's it for part 1. See you guys on part 2. Peace.